Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen is not rotating issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your screen is not rotating. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to just go in control center, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled auto rotate, or if you might see a portrait option over here, you have to just click on it and it will be switched to auto rotate. Now your auto rotate is enabled. If you can't find this option here, just click on this pencil icon, click on area control, and just locate your auto rotate or your portrait option over here, add it to your control center, and now you can easily use your auto rotate. Enable this and just use it. But if you are still facing the same issue, your auto rotate is not working, let's say whenever I try to rotate my screen doesn't rotate. So basically it happens when you are on your home screen. So your auto rotate only work in any app, like you can open your Play Store, your settings, or any other app. Let's say I'm gonna open Play Store here. Now whenever I rotate my screen will be rotated here. But the same thing won't work on my home screen. Whenever I rotate my screen on my home screen, my phone doesn't rotate. So basically, your phone or your auto rotate only works inside any app. You cannot use this on your home screen. But if you are still getting the same issue, your phone screen is not rotating inside any app. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to simply go to settings tab here, scroll down, go to software update, and just make sure that your software is completely up to date. You might have an pending software update here. Or you can also try to disable and re-enable auto rotate to make a quick refresh in this. So once you updated your phone, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart of your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. Just go to settings app here, scroll down, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings, and then click on this reset icon again to have a reset with all your phone settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this. It will just reset all your phone settings by default. And once you are done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.